Upscale your videos to 4K using AI Super Resolution in LUXEA Pro Video Editor 8. Simply look for the AI Super Resolution icon to either only upscale or upscale and restore. You can also access AI Super Resolution by right-clicking on a clip. The AI Super Resolution tab inside the Properties pane will show the progress of the upscale, as well as display the final resolution that the clip will have. You can also select multiple clips to upscale. This will automatically create a queue inside the AI Super Resolution tab. AI Motion Tracking. Select a clip, head to the Properties pane, and activate Motion Tracking. Position the box over your subject and click to begin. Once the motion has been analyzed, choose what you want to attach to the clip. The mosaic effect appears by default, but you can also link adjustment layers, elements, graphics, and other effects. Adjustment layers. Apply effects and color corrections across multiple clips simultaneously using a single, transparent adjustment layer. The tracks beneath the adjustment layer are enhanced without altering any of the original footage. Nest sequences and nest presets. Save multiple clips or edits into one nest sequence. Double-click on the nested sequence to open up all of its inside contents on a new panel inside the same project. Take it a step further by saving your nested sequence as a nest preset, which is saved to a local directory, allowing it to be open on a completely different project. Audio normalization. Balance your audio effortlessly by ensuring consistent volume levels across all of the clips in your project. Other new features in LUXEA Pro Video Editor 8 include the new marker panel, dynamic previews, multi-audio track support, and many more. For a full list of new features, please visit the LUXEA Pro Video Editor 8 product page linked in the description. Thanks for watching.